In this video, I'll show you how you can use Pinterest. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, at first, for the sake of people that don't really know what Pinterest is all about, Pinterest is a visual discovery engine for finding ideas like recipes, home and style inspiration, and more. With billions of pins on Pinterest, you always find ideas to spark inspiration. When you discover pins you love, save them to boards to keep your ideas organized and easy to find. Now, this is my Pinterest account, right? So, Pinterest, you can find lots of ideas here on Pinterest. You can search for lots of images here on Pinterest, right? I can come on here and search for YouTube. So, it's basically like a search engine in its own way. You can see lots of YouTube videos, right? Sorry, lots of YouTube pictures and so on. You can come on here and search for entrepreneurs, right? So this tool, it really helps lots of entrepreneurs and creators out there. So I would recommend you using Pinterest to explore new ideas, right? So this is it. So you can come on here from the setting if you want to optimize the account. You can add accounts here if you want to add accounts. You can convert this account to a business account. You can go onto the settings option and adjust some settings you want to adjust, right? So you can still install this Pinterest to your Windows, right? Like to your Windows app. So these are some Pinterest settings you can look up to. Then if you want to create this kind of images, right, you'd come on here, you click on this create, then you can choose a file you want to drag, right? Once you have done this, it would be displayed amongst this kind of images here, right? So let's say if I click on this image now, this is AXA, right? You can see AXA has 448 followers, right? She's following just 84 people, and in a month she gets over 500,000 monthly views. That is 631,000 monthly views. So this was just uploaded an hour ago. It already has 5.8 thousand pins, right? So this is basically how this works. So you can become a Pinterest creator as well. All you need to do, you need to set up your account well enough, and you can start uploading images here and building a community around this, right? So this guy has 1,000 followers, but he gets close to 1 million monthly views, right? This is 972,000 monthly views. So these are some images right here. So I can optimize my account if I want to start creating this kind of videos, this kind of images and ideas. So this is my first name, HowTo. You can tell a story about yourself. You can add pronouns. You can add a link to drive traffic to your site, right? So these are some features right here. So this is it, right? So this is basically how Pinterest works. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section, or if you got some questions you want to ask me, do that below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.